Igongona-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩkinyĩtio nĩ kĩhĩri kĩa atongoria kugĩra ũhoro nyina wa ũrĩa warĩ gavana wa Narok Samuel Tunai Anna Tukui Tunai, nĩkuo President William Ruto ahũthĩrĩte kanya gaka gũtarĩria Akenya mĩtaratara ya thirikari ĩkĩrĩire gũkĩria ũtonga wa bũrũri, kũrĩa atatithĩtie bata wa ũhũthĩri mwega wa mbeca cia mũingĩ honge-inĩ cia thirikari.
Kupitia kwa sheria mpya, hakuna Mkenya tena atauza mali yake kulipa gharama ya hospitali. Tutakuwa na hazina maalum ya kusimamia magonjwa kama haya. Kwa hivyo wewe ambaye uko na nafasi ya ajira, wewe ambaye uko na nafasi ya uwezo, usiwe mchoyo ukasema inakuhusu nini ati wewe uchangie tuweze kumlipia yule ambaye hana uwezo.
Wale walikuwa nasema petroli iko juu, last week imetermuka na 7 shillings. Waseme tu. It's good to be consistent. When it's going up, you say. When it's going down, you say. Up and down is the same vocabulary. Si ndio? So tukuwe watu ya kuongea ukweli. Let's be consistent. It's a good thing.
President uroteteire mitaratara ino orĩtie ambunge othe kwarahuka na kũmũnyita mbaru nĩgetha Akenya magunĩke. Orĩtie ũrũmwe gatagatĩ-inĩ ka atongoria na makĩria Narok nĩguo gũteithĩrĩria mũingĩ gũkinyĩrwo nĩ tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere.
If the leadership continues in the direction yenye watu wa Narok walichagua Tunai, our country will be one united nation. And I saw that in the last elections, 2022, where issues were the basis of decision of leadership. And our country moving forward should learn from what the people of Narok did with Tunai, should learn from the values that Tunai got from his mother, and we should unite our country to be one united nation that serves the people of Kenya without looking at where you come from.
Mama Anna Tukui Tunai agathĩrĩirio ta mũtumia mumandũ na mũndũ ũratirĩrĩire famĩlĩ yake na njĩra nene.
In my journey of politics with Tunai, I can confirm that he is a generous person. He is a person who thinks about other people, and all times, whenever he can, he reaches out with support.
Wewe umeanza kuacha kazi yako yote ya kutumikia nchi na kuja kutufariji sisi kama familia. Your Excellency, we have nothing to offer you other than kukuhakikishia kwamba we are going to remain very, very loyal to you and your government.
Girifotera Inoro TV. Jitagwo Julius Kareithi wa Munene.